दोस्तों जिन्हें इंग्लिश बोलना मुश्किल लगता है वो मेरे साथ ये 105 डेली इस्तेमाल होने वाले इंग्लिश वर्ड्स की लाजमी प्रैक्टिस कर लें। दोस्तों मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि आप इन वर्ड्स को बोलते वक्त यानी इंग्लिश बोलचाल करते वक्त आप कैसे सेंटेंसेस में यूज कर सकेंगे। दोस्तों अगर आप हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स करना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स लेट्स गेट गोइंग। दोस्तों हमारे पास सबसे पहला वर्ड है ग्रास्प। ग्रास्प के दो माना होते हैं, किसी चीज को पकड़ना, होल्ड, होल्ड मीन्स पकड़ना, ग्रास्प मीन पकड़ना, और ग्रैब का माना भी पकड़ना होता है, और ग्रास्प का माना समझना भी होता है। He couldn't grasp the concept of theory. He couldn't grasp, वो नहीं समझ पाया, वो नहीं समझ सका the concept of theory. Guarantee, जमानत देना, guarantee, जमानत देना. The manufacturer guarantees the quality of the product. Illustrate, वाज़े करना, बयान करना. The diagram helped to illustrate the concept clearly. आगे बढ़ते हैं। रिमूव का माना दूर करना, हटा देना, रिमूव, दे विल रिमूव द ओल्ड फर्नीचर फ्रॉम द रूम। रिप्लेस का माना तब्दील कर देना, दे विल रिप्लेस द ब्रोकन विंडो विद अ न्यू वन। रिप्लेस तब्दील कर देना। रिप्रेजेंट नुमाइंदगी करना, रिप्रेजेंट, शी विल रिप्रेजेंट द कंपनी एट द कॉन्फ्रेंस। प्रोवोक जज्बात भड़काना, किसी को गुस्सा दिलाना, प्रोवोक, हिज कमेंट्स प्रोवोक्ड अ हीटेड आर्गुमेंट अमंग द ग्रुप। परसू पीछा करना, ताकुब करना, परसू, शी डिसाइडेड टू परसू अ करियर इन मेडिसिन। क्वालिफाई मयार पूरा करना, क्वालिफाई, शी नीडेड टू क्वालिफाई फॉर द फाइनल राउंड ऑफ द कंपटीशन। कंपटीशन मीन मुकाबला। बोल्ड बहादुर, bold, she made a bold decision to start her own business. Capacity salahiyat, capacity, the stadium has a capacity of 50,000 spectators. Spectators means जो वहाँ पर तमाशबीन जो मैच देखने जाते हैं। Challenge means challenge, learning a new language can be a challenge. Circumstance, 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 हालात, she succeeded despite difficult circumstances. Collaborate means तावन करना, collaborate, collaborate, तावन करना. The two companies decided to collaborate on the project. Combine, मिलाना, combine, she combined her love for art and science in her career. Commence, आगाज करना, शुरू करना, commence, the event will commence at 8 p.m. sharp. Competent, mahir, competent, mahir, she's so competent lawyer with years of experience. Comprehend, samajhna, comprehend, comprehend, it's important to comprehend the instruction given by the boss. Consequence, asrat ya natija, consequence, he didn't consider the consequences of his actions. Consist, शामिल होना, मुश्तमिल होना, consist का माना होता है मुश्तमिल होना, ठीक है। The committee consists of 5 members. Construct, तामीर करना, construct, they are planning to construct a new bridge. पुल को इंग्लिश में ब्रिज कहते हैं। जवाब पेश करना, justify, justify, she tried to justify her actions but no one believed her. Maintain, बरकरार रखना, maintain, maintain, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Manipulate, manipulate, the politician was accused of manipulating public opinion. Determine, determine, तायुन करना, इरादा करना, it's important to determine the cause of the problem. Develop, तरक्की करना, develop, the city continues to develop at a rapid pace. Discipline, नज़्म ज़ब्त, good parents discipline their children with love. Distribute, distribute, तकसीम करना, volunteers distribute food to the homeless. Efficient, मुअस्सिर, efficient, using a dishwasher is more efficient to wash dishes. Elaborate, वजाहत देना, elaborate, he gave an elaborate explanation of his theory. Emphasis, जोर देना, emphasis, the teacher emphasized the importance of studying regularly. Encounter, मुकाबला करना, सामना करना, he encountered many challenges during his journey. Enhance, बढ़ाना, enhance. Adding spices can enhance the flavor of the dish. Enthusiastic, enthusiastic, purjosh. She was enthusiastic about the upcoming concert. Establish, banana, कायम करना. Establish. They plan to establish a new business in the city. जायजा लेना, evaluate, evaluate. It's important to evaluate the effectiveness of the program. Evaluate. Contribute, ताउन करना, contribute. He contributed generously to the charity. Convey, पैगाम पहुंचाना, convey. He used gestures to convey his message. Criticize, तनकीद करना, criticize. It's easy to criticize but difficult to create. Evolve, तरक्की करना, evolve. Technology continues to evolve rapidly. Experiment, तजर्बा, experiment. Scientists conduct experiments to test their hypothesis. Explore, तलाश करना, explore. They decided to explore the unknown territory. Admire, तारीफ करना, admire. I admire his dedication to his work. Ambitious, हिम्मत वाला, ambitious. She has ambitious plans for her future. Anticipate, पेशगोई करना, anticipate. We anticipate heavy rainfall this weekend. Anticipate. Expose, बेनकाब करना, expose. The journalists expose the corruption in the government. Extract, निकालना, extract. They extract oil from the ground using drilling rigs. Facilitate, आसान करना, facilitate. The new software will facilitate data management. Assure, यकीन दहानी करवाना, assure. He assured me that he would come on time. Attempt, कोशिश करना, attempt. She made an attempt to solve the puzzle. Behave, सलूक करना, behave. The children behaved well at the party. Formulate, तरतीब देना, तश्कील देना, formulate. Scientists are working to formulate a new vaccine. Generate, पैदा करना, generate. Solar panels generate electricity from sunlight. Govern, हुकूमत करना, govern. The elected officials govern the country according to the law. Implement, अमल में लाना, implement. They plan to implement new policies to improve efficiency. Imply, इशारा करना, imply. His silence implied consent to the proposal. Improve, इसलाह करना, बेहतर बनाना. Regular exercise can improve overall health. Inspect, जायजा लेना, inspect. The inspector will inspect the building for safety violations. Install, लगाना, install. They will install new software on all computers. Integrate, मिलाना, integrate. The new system will integrate all departments. Interpret, तर्जुमा करना. Linguists interpret ancient texts for modern readers. Intervene, मुदाखलत करना, intervene. The teacher intervened to stop the fight. Investigate, investigate. तहकीक करना. The police will investigate the crime thoroughly. Thoroughly. Mediate, गौर व फिक्र करना, मुराकबा करना, mediate. The mediator help resolve the conflict. Conflict, झगड़ा तसादुम. Peacefully, आराम से, सुकून से. Monitor, निगरानी करना, monitor. The supervisor will monitor the employees' progress. Motivate, हौसला अफजाई करना, motivate. The coach's speech motivated the team to win the game. Negotiate, मुआहदा करना, गुफ्तो शनीद करना, गुफ्तो शनीद करना. They will negotiate the terms of the contract next week. Observe, मुशाहिदा करना, observe. She likes to sit quietly and observe the birds in the park. Obtain, हासिल करना, obtain. She was able to obtain a scholarship for her studies. Occupy, कब्जा करना, occupy. Protesters occupied the city square for several days. offend नाराज करना, offend. His remarks offended many people in the audience. Oppose मुखालफत करना, oppose. The workers oppose the company's decision to cut their salaries. Optimize बेहतर बनाना, optimize. They need to optimize their website for search engines. Sustain बरकरार रखना, sustain. She worked hard to sustain her family's business. Overcome गालिब आना, overcome. She worked hard to overcome her fear of public speaking. Participate शिरकत करना, participate. Students are encouraged to participate in extracurricular activities. Perceive समझना. She perceived a change in his attitude towards her. Perform अदा करना, perform. The actor will perform in the play tonight. Preserve हिफाजत करना. It's important to preserve our natural resources for future generations. Prioritize अहमियत देना. You need to prioritize your tasks to meet the deadline. Prohibit ममनू करना. Smoking is prohibited in this area. Promote फरोग देना, promote. The company will promote employees based on their performances. Propel धकेलना, propel. The strong wind propelled the boat forward. Prosecute मुकदमा चलाना, मुजरिम को सजा देना. The district attorney will prosecute the suspect in court. React रद्द अमल करना. He didn't know how to react to the surprising news. React. Realize एहसास करना, realize. It took him a while to realize his mistake. Recognize पहचानना. She didn't recognize him at first because he had changed so much. Recommend तजवीज़ करना, recommend. The doctor will recommend a treatment plan for your condition. Recruit नौकरी पर रखना, recruit. The company plans to recruit new employees next month. Influence असर, influence. Parents have significant influence on their children's upbringing. Recover सेहतयाब होना, recover. He will recover from his illness soon. Reduce कम करना, reduce. They need to reduce their carbon footprint to combat climate change. Refer इशारा करना, refer. She will refer to the textbook for more information. Reject मुस्तरद करना, reject. They will reject the proposal due to the budget constraints. Relate ताल्लुक रखना, relate. She will relate the story of her travels to the audience. Release रिहा करना, release. The company will release a new product next month. Alright friends, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.